What's up, YouTube? Another beautiful evening. Working on the OCL and doing a little interior work. Going to show you guys the new seat setup we've got here. Had to pull it back out. I wasn't too happy with that. Can't be having that Peterbilt shit in here. Can't do it. Pulled the seat back out. Gonna have to bend my shifter, but get to that later. I got these seats off Summit Racing. Pretty comfy old seats. Very good for a small hip person like me. My little narrow ass slides all over the wide seats. Any like the wide rides and anything like that, I slide everywhere. But so I went with these. They're $230. I got them on sale. So all I had to do was add some extensions to the air ride base that I had. That seat was on. Because I'm not paying $1,500 for a seat. I just can't do that. Can't stomach it. But the only thing I had to do, as you can see, I extended it out just a little bit with some 3-inch flat bar. All I did was weld that at the top. I want to pressure wash it, get everything cleaned up and paint it before I put it back in and get the seat mounted. But that's pretty much it. It's just an idea for anyone who wants to do some pretty budget seats. You can pretty much just find you a cheap seat at a salvage yard for $100. Pull the air ride base off, extend it, put these $230 tops on it, the actual seat, and we good to go. So that's today's little video, just to give anyone an idea. Very cheap. Thank you guys for tuning in. Appreciate it.